All right, got a 2016 Honda Pioneer. I'm going to do a hopefully quick brake pad change on them. I've never changed the pads on these, so I imagine they're in pretty rough shape. I bought these quite a long time ago, but I imagine they'll do the job. So hopefully gonna get them switched out pretty quickly, and then just kind of show you how I go through it, and so you can do your own do-it-yourself brake pad change. First, I grabbed a 19 millimeter socket. Gonna get the tires off, and then we'll show you the next steps. All right, got the tire off, and then now I'm gonna take the brake caliper off. So for that, use a 12 millimeter wrench, and then get both of those bolts off, and then pull the brake caliper off, and then hopefully be to the brake pads after that. All right, now I got the brake calipers off. Just pull those off to the side, let them hang. All right, so this is probably the easiest part. They just pop right out. Pull them straight out. Again, never changed them, but gonna go ahead and get them changed up. So watching this back, I ended up realizing I installed the brakes on the wrong side. This indicator is supposed to be on the top, so as it comes by, it'll hit that first if your brakes get down too low. So I'm gonna switch this out with the other side real quick. All right, so as I mentioned, again, this indicator is supposed to be at the top. As your rotor goes by, it'll hit that first if your brake pads end up getting worn down that low. So again, just had to swap them to the other side. That was definitely install error, but easy fix. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide them back in. Ended up not needing to press the brake caliper back in on this one, so. All right, so this is just a quick video of showing you how to compress those brake calipers back in, so you can slide them back over the brake pads once you've finished installing those. So just take a pair of pliers and kind of push them back in, then you should be able to slide them right over the new brake pads and get them back on.